And not to mention that Maga means wizard, magician, sorcerer. All these administrations are speaking spells over us. It's not just the Maga administration. I'm really stuck on this storm situation that happened in Wisconsin, in Milwaukee, and other parts of Wisconsin that brought this actual flood from the Fox River. So was it the river that was actually flooding into the towns? And how actually did that happen? What really struck my interest is how this storm actually got started. If you take a look at some of these pictures, they're right off the Mississippi River, coming from around, let's say, Hannibal, Missouri to Quincy, Illinois. Right around in that area is where a lot of people were actually taking pictures of this storm that was generating and picking up. And then the storm was actually sent off. Then there's other pictures that shows you the stratospheric aerosol injections or cloud seeding that may have guided this storm to where it was going. I even took a video myself showing you the look of what was happening in the distance. And I'm like, yo, this shit looks weird. Never seen this before. On the contrary, I've actually seen this many times. Most of the storms that we have are normally coming from the west. Now I'm getting an understanding that maybe they're lifting up the water vapor from the Mississippi River. I don't know. But I also see a lot of plume clouds that are coming from smokestacks in that direction as well, including some of the southern suburbs as well. But one thing I noticed about the storm that Chicago just had just recently, yesterday, is that my left eye was acting weird. It would not lift up, and it's still kind of doing it right now as we speak. It's not lifting up all the way. It's kind of weird. But yesterday was really, really heavy. Anybody getting any ear ringing lately? Headaches? Eye twitching? Nose just running? Just for whatever? I noticed yesterday is that these right here, which is like my sinus area, this is a bacteria, by the way. My sinus areas are very irritated right now. Like they're picking up, like whatever in this rain, it wants in on it. You see? Look how swollen that is. It was all on this side right here too. This is your sinus cavity areas. Right here, going right up into this area here. And it can definitely spread throughout the scalp and everything. You know, I just had a few questions of what actually is going on here. You know, me, I know nothing. I just know that the ozone is electrical discharge, and electrical discharge can cause a lot of things to happen in the atmosphere. Stay woke.